Yo, what's up guys? It's Iron J Moto here, and today we're going to talk about the Harley Davidson Ridgeway riding jacket. So we'll just start at the hands. You kind of get this like nylon cuff here, so it allows it so no wind goes up the sleeve, which is super useful. Especially when you're riding, you'll kind of get a bunch of wind that just kind of blows into your jacket and kind of gives you that puffy jacket look. Definitely great material. You got protection over at the elbows and protection at the shoulders, which is awesome because you can actually replace it. It doesn't come with it, but you can replace it with aftermarket padding, or Harley Davidson also sells their own as well. Cool thing about the embroidery is it's all reflective. Even on the back, sick design, and it's reflective gear, so anything you can do that adds more safety is going to be always beneficial. You have outside pocket right here, so you can go ahead and store your phone or any other things, maybe some money that you just need quick access to. Zip that up. You have two outside pockets on the left and right side here. You also have zips for ventilation under your armpit area to go ahead and allow for air to breathe through your jacket on those hot days. This jacket also comes with a removable hood and then straps to go ahead and tighten it to allow for like a secure fit, especially when it's windy. But yeah, if you see here, you get a button there to unzip it, and then on the other side you have another securing button. Take it off, and now you got no hood. And we'll go ahead and open up the jacket now. The jacket's definitely lined with the great meshy material, kind of adds for a little breathability. I really like it, and it's super comfortable. So, you know, if you start sweating, it's not as like sticky on your skin. You have an inside pocket, you can put anything you need in there. Another cool thing here is you have a cell phone pocket where if you put a cell phone in there, you can actually feed your headphones right through here and put headphones on if you don't have a Bluetooth communication system to listen to music and you're just gonna do it with headphones on underneath your helmet. You'll also have your little belt straps here too, so you can kind of hook it over to your pants to make it so it doesn't allow to go up. And then also adjust, you could also pull it in to kind of tighten it around the waist, which is super beneficial. And like I had mentioned earlier, you can actually slip in some aftermarket padding that you could buy with Harley or anybody else. Slip it in there and add for a little bit more added protection, which is amazing. One thing that is disappointing is that there is no slot for the back to add some extra back padding. If you're gonna do the elbows and the shoulders, it would have been nice if they just went ahead and added one for the back that you could slip in. Definitely would have been beneficial, but still a jacket that's slam packed with a bunch of features that I love, and it just looks badass. I love wearing it, and it's super comfortable. It's not too heavy. It's a really good all-season jacket. Obviously I wouldn't say below freezing, but I wore this jacket on some mid-30s and lower 40s rides, and it was comfortable. I had a hoodie underneath, so it was nice and warm. Wind resistant and water repellent, which is really great. It's springtime, and now I don't wear a hoodie underneath, and it's super comfortable. And in summer, as long as you have a t-shirt on, it's really good. It's really nice, and it breathes when you open up the ventilation pockets and all that. So definitely a jacket that I really like. I mean, I'm really impressed with this jacket. I love it. And you know, again, I think the only thing disappointing I really had to say about it was the back padding and not having that extra pocket to add in some extra back protection. But beyond that, it's a really great jacket, and I hope you guys like it. I'll include links below, and make sure you go ahead and hit subscribe if you want to keep following all the content. Peace.